Pap, you was triple. Look at that. Pap, you was triple. Look at that.
Let's talk about the offensive line and how they gave you a lot of time to throw, and they were basically on their blocks pretty much the whole game.
Yeah, that playing behind that O-line is a dream come true if you're a college quarterback, especially by how they prepare with Coach Hairball, Coach Cristobal. They're one of the most hard-working guys on the team. They're also the most hard coached on the team. So, anytime, I come on Saturday, I know I got one of the best O-lines in the country. And, I know they're going to give me as much time as I need. And at the end of the day, we're going to make plays.
Cam, was your first game at home?
But,
I disrespect Mario a lot. I got to give him credit. He's beat 2 SEC teams, something that we haven't done in a long time.
Yes.
Go to the 8:43-minute mark to find the first so-called bad play by Markell Bell, who claimed his man's played trash. But it's his first start. And we're going to do it as we were told and review what went on at the 8:43-minute mark. Okay. Okay.
Dragged down by 2. Simeon Hines and Alan Smith Jr. in on the sack.
I want to rewind that. Okay. See, looks like he's looking like he's confused and forced to block 2 guys here. Being his first start, he might be a little confused. He hesitated, and he didn't know who he was going to pick up. And to be honest with you, he's double teamed. So does he pick up his guy? Not really. So the running back, or whoever this guy is, misses his block on the inside. As Markell Bell is still kind of beat, because this guy is just going to be faster than him if he runs this far outside of him. No offensive lineman is going to be able to beat this fast guy like that. But at least he's forcing him outside. So to be honest with you, this missed block by Martinez is what really caused the sack, and I wouldn't necessarily blame Bell for this one. We're gonna look at that again. Let's look at this play again. Markell Bell looks good so far. And then this missed block by Martinez, because he thought he was supposed to go on the outside. And he's looking back on the inside like, oh, wait a minute, I got to get this man. But it's too late, Martinez. Guy's gotten in on you. Markell Bell, man, is racing to the outside. But if this guy gets blocked like he's supposed to, Cam could step in this pocket and his man gets him first.
Moore trying to escape, but he's dragged down by 2. Simeon Hines and Alan Smith Jr. in on the sack.
We're going to watch it one more game. Again, Markell Bell, maybe not knowing, or maybe they should have communicated in the huddle who's going to get who. Markell Bell gets his responsibility. He's probably supposed to get the outside man. I'm not sure. Maybe he was supposed to get the inside man, and Martinez was supposed to get the outside man. Apparently there was a miscommunication. But Martinez, man, is the real problem, because if Martinez blocks him, or if Markell slides in and blocks him and Martell gets him, then it's okay. He can step in this pocket.
On the outside, Miami has to do a better job, and that's the new offensive tackle, 6'9", 340-pound Markell Bell, number 70. Big fella, you gotta move your feet and get a kick step on the outside. You can't reach over your body. You gotta get that big body.
I think you're just overreacting just to have some commentary for that play, sir. Because there was a miscommunication on who's supposed to block who. And it looked like he kicked out pretty wide and had his man running well outside. Let's watch the very next play. I call that adversity. And how do you respond after facing adversity? Markell Bell kicks out wide, moving his feet well. Stamps his man, gets a hand on his man, stamps him to the ground. And look at that throwing lane by Cam Ward. And a diving catch by Sammie Brown, who have been getting ridiculed as well. Great catch, Sammie Brown. Let's watch it one more time. Markell Bell stamps his man in the ground. Strike. Let's get a replay vision of this.
And you see the arm strength by Cam Ward. That is a very difficult throw to throw from the opposite hash marks across the
Look at the line. The line looks beautiful.
field. But
Markell, look at the extension on those arms by Markell Bell, knowing that that guy is fast and tried to beat you on the outside. Did very well on his feet. He's leaning forward. Leverage. That's why he's able to mash his man in the ground. And look at this strike. Sammie Brown. Lovely catch. I'm so sorry our fans have been ridiculing you. And you've been playing well.
out to where only his receiver can make a play on.
Good catch. Let's see how Markell Bell does this entire drive. 3rd and 8. Faced adversity with that large sack. Markell Bell holding his paint. Holding his paint. Plenty of time across the middle. Come on. Let's go.
Richardson handing off. Nowhere to go. Just bottled up at
Bottled up.
quarterback. He is thrown.
So he offensive line.
3rd and 5 at the 9-yard line. The redshirt freshman Johnson stays in the backfield.
And this is the play he was referring to when he got beat on the edge a little bit.
Ward
Cam dumps it off.
dumps it out to Johnson.
That's all right. And here's so-called bad play by Markell Bell. Let's check it out. Markell Bell outside, holding that pretty well.
Ward fires over to the
That's
right
pretty
side of the
good.
field. Nice grab along. Now from here on out, after a loss like that, if they want to be playing at the
Oh,
end of
nice
the season,
hold
as Martinez makes a couple
for
misses,
the offensive line.
shoots forward to the 44-yard line. It's about 7 yards on 1st down.
That run over people and get in the open field and can take it to the house.
2nd and 3.
Okay, Markell Bell. Nice. Open up. I like the way he opened up those hips.
Ward quick
Sammie Brown. Been getting ridiculed. Nice catch.
sidearm pass.
Nice
We
get up
saw
the
those
field. Nice the way it slipped through and get about 5 more yards.
angles against
Beautiful catch, Sammie Brown.
week. Sam Brown
I am so sorry that the fans have ridiculed you. You've been balling your heart out.
Just can't do it. And that's what makes him special.
Okay, Markell Bell. He didn't have to open as wide because the defense had tried a new move on him. He steps his hand on him, gets his hand on him. Nice little shoe. I wish Martinez would have just jump cut and then took it on out here. Look at this blocking out here. But he chose to go in this hole here.
Handoff up the middle, Martinez just
But that's
pushing the
all right.
pile,
He's just big and
driving those
strong
big
because
legs.
we're big.
Might have a
We're
first
bigger
down
than
on this
you.
play. Less than a yard.
Markell Bell getting his run game.
Ward again.
Oh, look at that push. Man, the line of scrimmage is right here. And this is 3 yards pushed back.
Hands to Martinez, who just dances and waits before he finds it.
Martinez, I would like you to one cut and go. But that's all right. You'll get it right. See what Markell Bell does. Oh, he tried to get beat on the speed rush this time. Great way to set your feet and get in front of your man and hold him down. And all the time in the world, another completion.
Nice grab along.
Let's watch that again.
He's getting anything he wants. He has all the time in the world. He's going
He has
through
all
his
the
progression.
time. He has all the time in the world to throw that beautiful pass. Shakat. Beautiful pass.
Function differently is the way that we support one another, even as all the guys who know we want to go score, but you see it so far on the field for the Canes today. They're hyping one another up, tight ends laughing at each other and at Xavier Restrepo along with Martinez as these guys come on and off the field and just kind of chirp at one another. That's what Shannon Dawson too has said is the attitude of this team.
Dawson also said that he's really big on ball distribution, and that's what Cam Ward has done these first 2 weeks. I think everybody's going to eat on this Miami offense the way things look. Martinez is the back. Ward barking out signals. 4th down at the 10-yard line. Ward claps his hands. Sitting in the pocket. Plenty of time. Now he's flushed. Spinning around. Flag on the field. Ward rolling out. Throwing back across his body. Caught in the end zone. There is a flag. But Ward with an incredible play to find Isaiah Horton.
Yeah, I think that's going.
Earlier, 6'9", 340
Let me
pounds
see.
junior.
And one of the things that happens when the quarterback is in scramble mode, you see right there on the outside, you've got to sit down when you're getting pressure right there. You see him right there grabbing the inside of the shoulder pads, of the shoulder plate. But as a big fella, what you've got to do is you've got to sit down.
So is that the play he's getting crucified for and being considered a bad trash game when I've highlighted all the good throughout this game? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Have at least 2 catches.
All right, let's see what's going on. Why didn't we get 7 on this drive?
At the 16-yard line. Johnson in motion.
Okay, now this might be an issue where he didn't know who to block and let this man come in free.
They'll throw it out.
But maybe that was the design because it was a play to the outside. But that was beautiful recognition by Cam just to get rid of the ball right away.
Out to Johnson, low throw, and actually might have been better if it was incomplete. Might have been a backwards pass anyway, but
So
lose about 5
maybe
yards on the play.
Markell Bell should have got that man and he didn't have to throw it that fast. So I give him a bad grade on that play. But it's more of a miscommunication in his first start. Let's go.
Puts Cam Ward and company in a little bit of a testing situation. 2nd and 15. Restrepo and Horton at the bottom of your screen.
Okay, Markell Bell open out. I don't know if he should just shoot through here and block because it looks like that's cover. Okay, Duke goes out there. He's looking for work. Looking for work, but he ended up just running the ball. Pretty good.
Third down and 7 after they got 8 on second and long.
Okay, Markell Bell got his man pretty stamped. Okay, he slipped off his man a little bit inside. And made it stuffed up. And they settled for a field goal. That's not a bad play. That's just, play calling. They just, give credit to Fan. You boys out there playing hard too now.
Falls forward to the 10.
All right, we starting it out. Bell. I like Bell, how he slid on to him. Boom, boom. I mean, that ain't easy now. Good way. Look at that, Bell. Got his man out of the play. Nobody's open.
It is, you just don't know coming into every season how a team.
For Ward. Quick pass out to Brown, trying to dance around his lineman. Almost breaks free, but he's dragged down and then...
He tries. Good play, Sam Brown.
Stay on the field. 2:30 and ticking, approaching that 2-minute timeout.
Fourth down.
Martinez, the back. Restrepo, number 7, in the slot at the top of your screen. He's his top receiver and one of the best in the country.
Okay.
Ward looking.
Good block. Good hand. Good hand on hand.
In that direction. Now
good
to
hand
his
on
right.
hand. Good hand
All
on
day
hand.
long, throwing and almost taken away. It's still going to be a turnover on downs. Jaren Fox on the coverage. Transfer for Miss.
That was just good coverage. Good blocking. Just a good coverage.
19-yard line. Fletcher still in the backfield with Ward. 2 tight end set.
Okay, Bell. Getting set for your man. Boom. Kick out. Boom.
Ward quick throw on an out pattern to Restrepo.
Boom.
Has a blocker and his
Restrepo.
receiver gets outside.
Oh, look at Restrepo. Put the hat on this man. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with you, boy? You alright? I hope you alright, boy. I hope you alright, boy. You alright, boy? Oh. He's old. He's old.
Awesome job by number 7, Sammie Brown on the
Restrepo. Watch this. Look at Bell. I like Bell.
to continue to get up.
Pap. You Restrepo. Look at that.
Continue to get up.
Pap. You Restrepo. Look at that.
Continue to get up.
Pap. You Restrepo. Look at that. He laid the hat. Look at that. Laid the hat. Laid the wood on this man. This man, look at this man. This man flying high. Damn, boy, I hope y'all alright. Look at this. Oh. Boom. 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 Oh, boy, this boy flying. Oh. Collision. This man look dead. This man look dead right now, dog. I ain't gonna even lie. Boom. Boy, you got on the fake number 7. Boy, don't you ever wear my number again, Xavier Restrepo told this young man. Oh my goodness, help him. I hope he alright, man. Xavier, that's the number 1 receiver in the nation, young man. He ain't mean to hurt another guy. Xavier Restrepo is responsible for 2 possibly season-ending injuries from a juke and a truck stick. Oh my goodness, a truck stick. I hope you're all right, Mr. Powell Jr.